Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video I will show you a very powerful and effective method to trade, and I will also open a trade in front of you, and I will open a trade with only a small balance, like 25% of my account balance, and which amounts to like $5 to $7 five and I will try to trade for one day with only $5 to $7, and I will share the trading results at the end of this video. Not only this trade that I opened right now, and also other trades that I will do, like small trades of $5 to $7, and and scalping with that for one day. And that's going to be a very interesting video, and I thought, why not to make this video for because many people don't have a large account balances. So this is an encouraging video for all those those who had small balance in their account, and they are disappointed that they can't make money with that balance. So subscribe to my channel and pay attention to this video. So guys, let's start the strategy. First of all, this strategy can be applied to any market, whether it is forex, stocks, or crypto. And we'll use crypto because I mainly do crypto. So I also so first of all, remove this I will remove this chart from the chart, and then we will go for the indicator, and we will use 5 minute time frame. And another thing, guys, watch this video full, because so you get familiar with all the scenarios, so you don't make any mistake in the real time trading. And I can't tell you this on the real time. I opened a trade in front of you, but we can't for learning I have to show you from this chart. So first of all, we will no, this one is not the Ichimoku we are looking for. This one is okay, because let me show you why. First of all, we cross this one, and we will go to the setting of this one, and we will untick all the options. You don't need all these options in this strategy. We only need the cloud option. We are going with only cloud, that's why I selected this one. So we will also untick these bars, and we will increase the opacity of this, and that's okay, I think. And okay, and that's it. The first setup, the cloud red represent bearish, and green represent bullish sentiment. So second indicator is EMA and MA crossover. Now guys, I didn't took this strategy from any YouTube channel. This is my own made YouTube strategy, and I try my best to bring most profitable strategy if in this channel that can really help people to gain profits from their trades. So I because I also use these strategies, so I don't bring any strategy that is not effective. I try to bring strategy that is the most effective one with high win rate. So we'll change this setting to 9 and 26 in the EMA setting, and we also increase the opacity, and that's it. Okay, from our setup, and let's jump to the next section. So guys, first of all, we should understand the what is this setup. So looking at the chart, you can notice one thing, that whenever there is a red cloud, there is a bearish trend, and whenever the cloud is green in color, it is a bullish trend. And these clouds are made in advance. This is Ichimoku clouds are made in advance. In future, you can see in the video when I will explain you in detail. And whenever another thing is, whenever the candles are below, there are in bearish trend, and whenever the candles are above the cloud, they are in bullish trend, upward trend. And now you can have understand the basic of this thing. And so this is, and let's jump into the next section of buying and selling. So guys, it's time for buy sell condition. So the conditions for buying is simple. Whenever there is a crossover and there is a candle above the cloud, you will take that signal as a buy, or up a long signal, and our stop loss will be just below the our cloud. So our cloud also tells us our stop loss. So you will take this, you can see how much profitable this signal can be and was, and you can see when to exit this trade. So there are two options for you for exiting a trade. Whenever the candles are gone below the red EMA line, or you can also take crossover as an exit point. And you can't take this signal where I put this cross, because crossover of EMA and MA is not near to them. So remember this thing also in mind, that the crossover should be close. Whenever the crossover happens, the candles also should be above the cloud. So there should not be much distance between them. So you can see we can take this signal for long, and you can see how much profitable this signal can also be. We will place the stop loss below, just below the cloud, and you can see this is also a winning trade. And now remember this point, that you can exit the trade whenever there is a crossover, or you can also use the red EMA as a exiting signal. So now let's take some short trade. And short trade conditions are also same. You will look for a crossover, and you will also look for candles to go below the cloud. And whenever this happen, you will open a short trade. And remember, the distance between crossover and candles going below the cloud should not be much. So that's a profitable trade. Now guys, let me change this to 1 hour time frame. And this strategy can work in any time frame. And you can see we have our long conditions meeting for a buy signal. You can see we have a crossover, we also have a candle above the cloud. And you can see this strategy is more profitable in the longer time frames also. And you can see this is approximately 6% 7% profit. And in short time frame, you get out of the trade early, but the profits are not much. But waiting period is also small. And you can see here our cloud is forming in the future. And you can see we have a if the we have a crossover, and if the candles got below the cloud, then can take that as a short position. And cloud is forming in future, and which shows where the possible trend can go. And now in 1 hour time frame, you can see we have a crossover, we also have candles below the cloud. And you can see how this can also be a nice winning trade. And let me calculate this. Let me measure this. Let me again measure this. So you can see this is also a 3% profit if you are doing future trade. 3% into 10 means 30%. So 1 hour time frame, you have to wait like 4 to 5 hours, or can also wait for 1 day, and you can see how much profitable this strategy is. Now guys, it's time for a bonus gift for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel because I try to bring value and share my videos with your friends and family. What I have done is I have removed the MA moving average. No, I have removed the EMA line, and we are left with only moving average. And whenever the price is above moving average, we will take a long trade, and whenever the price is below moving average, we will take a short trade. So this bonus gift that I am giving you, it is only for scalping. Sometimes it's a very short scalping, and sometimes it's a very healthy scalping. So you can also take the clouds in consideration whenever taking a short or long trade, so using the moving average. So now other thing is, this whole strategy is my self-made, and it was a good strategy. That's why I decided to share with you guys. I took some trades with this strategy, and they were in profitable, and I also opened a trade that I will share a result at the end of this video. So that's why I decided to share with you also, because my motive of this channel is to help people, especially the middle class, to get a winning trades. So now let's go to the next section. So time for trade result. You can see I have closed the trade in profit, and that I opened in the start of this video, and you can see a 0.61 is my profit from that trade. And this is now a recorded clip. I recorded it to give you knowledge, to give you this very important knowledge, that whenever this cloud is green, and that means the potential trend will be upward. But I took a short trade, even though the cloud is showing that the coming candles can be upward or bullish candles. So but I took a short trade, and I have to wait a little while in order to close it in profit. Like I have to wait for 2 hours, or uh, for that. So now if I will suggest you to share my video, and I will also share you my results for trading for 5 days, 1 day, using only $5 to $6 in each trade. And you can see I got $7 approximately, $7.5 in only 1 day. And you can see here is my screenshot. You can see this, I recorded this to in order to encourage you that you can make money only using small trades, small balance, like 5 to 6 or $8. And you can see all these small scalping, and that amount to $7. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel.